Let me guess, you have an Audi RS3 or TTRS, and although you love the performance of your 2.5T engine, you're always looking for more. You may already have an ECU tune, but you're really looking for that next step in releasing the full performance potential hiding under your hood. Well, you're in luck. The IE Performance Downpipe is 3.5 inches all the way through. This allows for maximum power from any turbocharger. You'll never lose power to flow restrictions from this downpipe. Bolting this downpipe onto your 5-cylinder will deliver to 577 base horsepower with a matching IE Stage 2 ECU tune and basic bolt-ons. You can take your RS3 or TTRS from a sporty driver to an all-out power monster in a single weekend. Plus, it sounds badass. The casting design of our downpipe allows us to create an aggressive and deep sound that really showcases the unique qualities from the turbo 5-cylinder engine. It remains perfectly daily drivable and modest on the road, but when you put the pedal down, it turns into an all-out howling monster. Using a cast stainless steel design has allowed a specialized shape that fits the maximum amount of size into the factory space. This is just not possible using stainless pipes and vents found in traditional downpipe manufacturing. This design is so specialized that IE engineers 3D scanned and built a digital model to squeeze every last ounce of space into the downpipe, allowing for optimal flow paths all the way from the turbo back. By employing a high-flow 200-cell catalytic converter, horsepower loss is almost non-existent, while keeping unpleasant smells and increasing emissions away. The cat section is easy to remove for track days or drag events. This downpipe is constructed from 304 stainless steel and is expertly TIG welded for incredible reliability and long-lasting life. The cast and CNC machine turbo flange is super thick to prevent leaks or warping at the turbo. Extremely high-quality flex sections are included with the downpipe construction to allow for normal movement between the engine and chassis mounts. There are plenty of downpipes on the market, but none that offer IE's proven performance gains, high-quality construction, exact bolt-on fitment, and motorsport sound. This is at home on your daily commute as it is blasting down the track.